Assalamu alaikum learners, this is a YouTube video tutorial about the Math Olympiad which is going to be happen on July 2022. Okay, so now we are dealing with some basic questions about the exponential. Okay, so let's see what our question is. Solve for x. E to the power x minus e to the power minus x equals to 1. This seems to be difficult but it isn't. Our first strategy is to convert this exponential equation into the quadratic equation. Okay, for doing this we will do the following steps. First of all, multiply each and every term by e to the power x and our equation will become e to the power x times e to the power x minus e to the power x times e to the power minus x equals to e to the power x. Okay, so the bases are same, so the powers will be added up and it will become x plus x equals to 2x. So our first term will be e to the power 2x. Similarly, our second term is e to the power x times e to the power minus x minus x equals to 0 and e to the power 0 equals to 1. So our second term will become 1 and our equation will be e to the power 2x minus 1 equals to e to the power 2x. Okay, so now let's subtract e to the power x from both sides of the equation and it will yield e to the power 2x minus e to the power x minus 1 equals to 0. So now let's substitute e to the power x equals to y. By doing this, we will convert our exponential equation into the quadratic equation as follows: y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So now let's solve this quadratic equation. For doing this, we will convert our equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay guys, by comparing both the equation, we get that a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 1. Okay, let's substitute these values into the quadratic formula, which is y equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, I hope you remember that a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 1. By substituting values, we get y equals to uh, minus bracket minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 and whole over 2 times 1. Okay, so minus minus equals to plus, so there will be plus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square equals to 1. So 1 plus minus 4 times minus 1 would be positive 4. So it will whole become 1 plus minus under root 1 plus 4 over 2. Now 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So y equals to 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. So both the values of y will become y equals to 1 plus root 5 over 2 and y equals to 1 minus root 5 over 2. This isn't the solution because we have to find the value of x. Okay, so now we substitute the value of y, which is e to the power x, and our equation will become e to the power x equals to 1 plus root 5 over 2 and e to the power x equals to 1 minus root 5 over 2. We will solve both the equations simultaneously. First solve this one. Okay, e to the power x equals to 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now first of all, take natural logarithm on both sides. So our equation will become ln of e to the power x equals to ln of 1 plus root 5 over 2. On the right hand side, ln and e cancel each other and we will only be left with x on the right hand side, and it will become x equals to ln 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now this is the first value of x. Okay, so similarly ex equals to 1 minus root 5 over 2. Now again take natural logarithm on the both sides and equation will become ln of ex equals to ln 1 minus root 5 over 2, and on the right hand side there will be only x left because ln and e will cancel each other. Now just take a moment and see, notice that 1 minus root 5 will give a negative value and natural logarithm does not deal with the numbers smaller than 0, so this value will not give any solution. Hence only the real solution for this numerical or for this question is x is equals to ln 1 plus root 5 over 2. I hope you understand this question, and if you like our video, please subscribe to it, and if you have any queries, write down in the comments below. Thank you.